Hello, today we will guide you through how to reuse slides from another presentation in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted to bring slides from an existing presentation into a new one without rebuilding everything from scratch, PowerPoint has a simple feature that makes that easy. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can quickly locate another presentation and reuse the slides you need. To begin, open PowerPoint. You can start with the presentation you're already working on or open a blank one if you're creating something new. The important thing is to have PowerPoint up and ready before you start importing slides. Once PowerPoint is open, look to the top left area of the window and click on Insert. This tab gives you access to a variety of options for adding content to your presentation, including images, shapes, media, and in this case, slides from another file. After that, click on New Slide. You'll usually find this in the Insert area of the ribbon. When you select it, PowerPoint may show a drop-down menu with additional choices. This is where you'll find the option that lets you pull in existing slides instead of creating a brand new blank one. If you don't see everything right away, take a second to look through the menu carefully. Next, click on Reuse Slides. This opens the Reuse Slides panel, which is the tool PowerPoint uses to let you browse for another presentation and choose slides from it. This feature is especially useful when you want to maintain consistency across decks or save time using content that's already been designed. In the panel that appears, click Browse. This allows you to search your computer for the PowerPoint file that contains the slides you want to reuse. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, the wording may appear slightly different, but the process is the same. Now select the sample PowerPoint file you want to use and then click Open. PowerPoint will load the slides from that presentation into the Reuse Slides panel so you can work with them from there. At this point, you'll be ready to choose from the available slides and bring them into your current presentation as needed. That's all it takes to start reusing slides from another presentation in PowerPoint. Following this process can help you work faster, keep your presentations more consistent, and avoid duplicating effort.